Making extra money online, on the side, having a side hustle sounds great in theory, but between jobs and kids and just life in general, we need side hustles that are actually feasible for just your average everyday gals and guys. What I am not going to be telling you in this video is how to get rich quick. I'm not going to be selling a dream of passive income overnight, quick, easy money, because let's be very honest, that just does not exist. But if you're looking for real side hustles that can actually work, yes, they'll require effort, but in a way that will make sense for the average individual's life, then you are in the right place and this video is for you. I've personally made money with every single thing that I'm going to be sharing in this video, so I know that it is doable, I know that it is feasible, and I built each of these income streams and have made money doing each of these things while working a full-time job. Do I think every single one that I'm going to share is for everyone? No. But I do think that there's something for everyone here in this video that could work for a lot of people, even if it's not every single thing. Side hustle number one is print on demand. Why I love print on demand is there are low startup costs, there's no inventory, no shipping, and you can sell print on demand products on simple platforms like Etsy, which is what I personally do. If you're not familiar, print on demand is where you are going to be creating designs for blank products like a t-shirt, for example. You create a design, post it on that blank product, sell it on a platform like Etsy. Once you receive an order, your print provider who manufactures that blank product is going to make, package, and ship it directly to your customer for you. Your main role with a print-on-demand business is making designs, handling customer service. Now, yes, this sounds simple in theory. It is a very simple side hustle, but that's not to make it sound completely easy. There is some effort and strategy that is involved to actually make it feasible and actually make it work for you. Success in print-on-demand comes from consistency. This does not mean that you have to be putting in countless and endless amounts of hours to actually make it work, but you do have to show up relatively consistently to get this side hustle moving, get some momentum before it can become a little bit more hands-free and a little bit more passive, so to speak. I do have a full free mini course teaching you how to get started with print on demand if that's something that you're interested in. I will have it linked in the description box below. Side hustle number two is selling digital products. Why I love this side hustle is it is a very high profit margin side hustle. Depending on where you're selling your digital products, you can see over 80 to 90% profit margin. So meaning if you're selling it for $10, you would be collecting $8 to $9 of that into your pocket. Unlike print on demand where you're paying for products to be made, with a digital product, this is something as simple as a ebook or a guide that you might create in a platform like Canva. Another perk with digital products is it's pretty passive once it is created. You create that digital product once and then it can sell for you in the background on repeat. Where the effort comes in is, of course, yes, in theory, it's very simple to create the digital product in Canva, but you have to make sure that you're creating something that one, people want, and two, you need to get that digital product in front of the people that want it. So marketing your digital product. Just like with print on demand, digital products can be sold on Etsy. So that is one avenue, but that's not your only option. If you have a social media presence, you can also sell your digital products with a link in bio tool, something like Stand Store. This is a platform that essentially creates a link in bio. You've probably seen this before if you go to a content creator or influencer's Instagram. They probably have some form of link in bio. You go to their bio, you click the link, and then it brings you to a page where they might be linking to their Amazon storefront, or maybe they have a digital product, maybe they have something that they're recommending. Stand Store essentially helps you create a little mini digital storefront. And when I say having a social media presence, I don't want that to be taken as that you need to be some like mega influencer or anything like that. You do not need a large following to make an income through digital products. But to sell your digital products, you do have to talk about them. Digital products can literally be anything. So you can connect your passions, what you're interested in, what you're knowledgeable about, and put all of that and package it into a digital product. Many individuals sell templates, ebooks, guides, digital planners, printables, checklists. Literally, there is no limit to what you can create with a digital product. My best recommendation would be to connect what you create for a digital digital product back to something that you're passionate about and something that you're very knowledgeable about as well. Something that you can create that's going to provide value, that it's going to be worth somebody investing in so that you actually can see sales with your digital product. Side hustle number 3 is content creation. I truly think that everybody should be creating content online. And yes, I know that content creation is not for everyone. And I get that some people don't want to show their face online or anything like that, but you don't need to have a large audience in order to make money through content creation. One of the great things about this side hustle is there are tons of ways that you can make money through content creation. Depending on the platform or platforms that you're making content on, you can often make an income through the views of your content. Of course, each platform usually has different requirements in order to get that platform monetized for you, but that is only just one way that you can make an income through your content. You also can make an income through things like sponsorships and affiliate marketing. I think everybody always assumes that you need to be a big creator. You need to have like 1 million subscribers and 1 million followers or something like that in order to actually make money with content. But I can speak to the fact that you do not need to be a large creator. You do not need to have a large audience. You can truly make a decent amount of money as a side hustle with content creation while you're working full time. It's literally what I did. I consider my channel a smaller channel. I have less than 30,000 subscribers, which is small, I think, in the grand scheme of things compared to obviously, there's people that have like hundreds of thousands and millions of subscribers. But I always feel funny even saying it's small because I try to imagine nearly 30,000 people and I'm like, that's a lot of people. That's a lot of eyeballs. And each of those 30,000 people, I assume, have 2 eyeballs. So then that would be 60,000 eyeballs that are potentially watching my channel. That is crazy. But even when my channel had 1,000 and even just less than 1,000 subscribers, I was still making an income with my channel. Now, granted, it was a smaller income, but I was still working full time. And so any type of additional income was supplemental and it was helping with car payments and groceries and paying for daycare for my son. And it was very helpful. Now, if content creation is something that you want to get started with, I'm going to make it really simple for you, my friend. All you have to do to be a content creator is create content. There's no handbook, there's no sign up site, nothing like that. You just have to start. That is the biggest band-aid that I think is holding most people back. They just need to rip it off, get started and do it. Everything is content. Share what you're doing, document what you're doing. People are interested. You are interesting. You can truly make a great side hustle through content creation. Side hustle number 4 is freelancing / coaching / education. Why this side hustle is great is because you can start with things that you already know. What's great about this is you can literally start immediately. There's no prep work. You already have the skill set and you don't need any products or anything like that. Really, all you need is just some Wi-Fi and you're good to go. And you might be thinking, Taylor, I don't know anything. I don't know what I could teach. The best thing that you can do to figure out what you can teach and what skill sets you have is start with your friends and family. Think about what they come to you with questions on. Are you constantly helping somebody edit photos? Are you constantly helping somebody update their resume? I don't know, something random. It truly can be absolutely anything. If you have a skill set, if you are knowledgeable in a certain area, you can monetize that by helping others and offer it as a freelancing, coaching, or educational type service. This is another one that I think a lot of people think that you have to have some form of social media presence or just like online presence to get started with this, but you can actually market your services, your freelance skills, your coaching skills, and what you are helping others perfect and work on through platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, or even just in local Facebook groups if you're looking to help people in your area. So if you have a skill, writing, graphic design, copywriting, updating resumes, maybe you're really good at Excel, all of these are just some examples of things that you can start freelancing literally today. The key is just knowing what you can offer and putting yourself out there where people are already looking for help. Now let's talk about the number 1 side hustle mistake that I see many individuals making. Most people jump into a side hustle without thinking about the long-term vision. Individuals get started with a side hustle and they just focus on making one sale at a time, where instead they could also be building a system that makes sales more consistent. And what I'm getting at here is email marketing, creating an email list. This is something that truly can be used with each of these side hustles that I have mentioned. When you have an email list, it's essentially just a list of emails that people have provided you in exchange for often a discount or a freebie or something of mutual exchange. They give you email, you give them discount, product, freebie, etc. And in that value exchange, the emails that you begin to collect are emails on a list that you own. And with that, you are able to market to that email list so that you're building that scalable system to increase your sales and build more sustainable long-term growth with your side hustles. Here's how it can apply to every single side hustle. With print on demand, this is going to keep customers coming back. You can continuously market new products that are related to the products that your customer has previously purchased. With digital products, you can sell to the same customer and to the same audience over and over as you create new digital products that are also going to solve new problems that your audience is facing. With content creation, of course, just monetizing beyond social media, you can send emails including your affiliate links. Maybe you're also offering digital products. And then of course, with freelancing, coaching, and offering education, this is how you can stay in touch with your leads and book more clients. So let me show you how I got started doing this so you can just steal my strategy and do the same. At first, I got started with tons of different email marketing platforms, just trying to figure out what the right fit was for me. And a lot of them were not very user-friendly. They were confusing. I had no idea what I was doing until I stumbled on a platform that I've absolutely loved, and it is called Omnisend. Before we dive in, I wanted to quickly show you how easy it is to get started with Omnisend using my link. In the description box below, you will see my link, and if you click that, it is going to bring you to this page. All you have to do from here is just click Start Now. Sign up is super simple. Just enter your email, create a password, and choose whether you are e-commerce or non-e-commerce. You can start completely for free with Omnisend with up to 250 contacts, which is honestly a great place to begin. And if you ever want to upgrade, I do have a discount code as well for you to use, which is TaylorPOD30, which is going to get you 30% off of a paid plan. With Omnisend, the first thing that you're going to want to do is create a landing page. In order to get emails onto your email list, customers have to opt in on what's called a landing page. Simply put, a landing page is just a link that a customer clicks. They land on the page that they're able to type in their email and then ultimately be added to your email list. This is incredibly simple to do. You're going to just start by clicking onto forms. This is going to create your landing page. Depending on the side hustle that you've chosen, it's going to ultimately determine what type of freebie, what type of offer you want to have in order to get somebody onto your email list. For example, if you're doing print on demand or you're doing digital products, you might want to offer some form of discount code in exchange for the email. So maybe if a customer joins your email list, they then get a code for 30% off their purchase. For content creation, depending on what you are making content about, that might help direct what your freebie is. So for example, here on YouTube, I make content about print on demand, passive income, entrepreneurship. So I mentioned earlier in this video, I have an entire free mini course that essentially when people sign up for the free mini course, they also are added onto my email list. So that is the value exchange. They get a huge mini course that gives them tons of free information, and in exchange, I then have their email and can send them other offers, tell them about my paid opportunities, paid community, coaching, and all of those types of things. For somebody who's offering freelancing or coaching, you might offer a freebie that is essentially going to help give a little bit of a piece of the puzzle to the problem that you might be solving. So we'll use the resume helper, for example, that I mentioned earlier. If you are somebody who helps people perfect their resumes in this very competitive job market, maybe you create a freebie that is a 5-step checklist to make sure that your resume stands out. That could be something that you then provide the freebie for, you get the email, and then you can maybe offer your services of sprucing up their resume and doing the work for them. Hopefully that just gives you some inspiration on what type of freebie you could include here and what you would want to put on your landing page. But as you can see, creating this landing page is incredibly simple to do. You have full customizability. I don't know if customizability is a word, but You know what I mean. You can completely make this your own, make it represent you, your brand, and how you want it to look. When you are finished customizing your landing page, you are going to just click enable form, and then you can even preview your form, see what it's going to look like for the customer, both on web and also on mobile. The link that you receive after you've enabled your form, that is the link that you are going to want to put in your bio, in your description of a video, truly anywhere that you think that you might be able to connect with your audience, with your client, with your potential customer. If creating an email list is something that you want to get started with today, I will put a link in the description box below for you to get started with OmniSend. Highly recommend it. Definitely check it out if it's something that you're interested in doing. Let me know in the comments down below if any of these side hustles are ones that you are trying, you're thinking about trying, you have tried. Let me know. And be sure to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. That just helps a small little channel like mine get this video out in front of more people like you who might enjoy it as well. If you want to see more videos about print on demand, passive income, and entrepreneurship in general, be sure to boop the subscribe button down below so that you do not miss out on any future videos. And as always, I hope you're having a wonderful morning, afternoon, evening, wherever you are in the world, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.